Hi, it's Monday, January 23rd, 2023, and the topic of this video is an unboxing, and this is the NOCO 12-volt two-way splitter for the van. In the center console of the van, there's one socket for 12-volt that is keyed and another one that is unkeyed. When I say unkeyed, meaning it works regardless if the ignition is on. So this one's going to go in the keyed section, right? And it's well packaged from Amazon, right? And the advantage of this is this will go into the actual socket of the van, and there'll be one for the GPS, right? And one for my cell phone charger, right? The cell phone charger will be featured in the separate unboxing, and the or the dash cam can also run in here as with an adapter. And this is well packaged here. We don't want to wreck the packaging when we open it up. So, oh yeah, see, it's right here. So this is so well packaged, they've got it taped right here. We're gonna take a slight pause, and I'll continue on. Well, there was no pause for you because the magic of the little remote here that I can pause the camera start up again. So anyway, this company's been around since 1914, right? And it was really well sealed. They had a little piece of tape here holding it shut. So what we'll do is we'll open it up and we'll take a look at this. So we put this to the side, and here's the actual product here, and it's fairly well made. That's really thick wires, right? So obviously this is the part that goes into the cigarette lighter adapter, 12-volt socket in the car. Then you have two of these other sockets here to put your 12-volt accessory in. So mine's going to hold the power for the, well, not hold it, I'm going to plug the power in here for the GPS, right? And the other one here, and that's a fairly good, oh yes, a fairly good sale. I'm really pleased with that. This is about $20 on Amazon, and this one here will hold the power source for the cell phone over this adapter here, right? I can plug in, like this goes in here, and that's also a good fit here. That will be for like the dash cam, but right now I'm going to run the dash cam in the other USB in the glove box, right? So this is, so I'm well set up, and I think that's in there good. Oh yeah, that's right in there, right? So that's the wrap up for this. If you have any questions, please let me know. And you can see it's really well, like really well made in my recollection. So please like and subscribe my video, and there's an indicator light here when it's plugged in. So please like and subscribe, and we're going to do more unboxings. And you see I have a whole new series that I'm talking about the Vancouver Canucks. That's in a completely different playlist, and we use a different set for that. So that's all for this video. We'll see you soon.